what's up you guys? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Romala and today is Inaya's birthday. Okay, so as you guys might have guessed it from the title, it's Inaya's 4th birthday and we are throwing a pink themed birthday for her. Actually कोई plan नहीं था to do like a birthday party because of everything that's going on and a lot of stuff actually. मेरा कुछ plan नहीं था, but then suddenly 2 days back Inaya told me that she wanted a pink themed birthday a few days back actually, and मैंने still इतना ध्यान नहीं दिया, but she kept saying it, so I thought ठीक है कर लेते हैं. So I got some balloons and with whatever we have at home, we are throwing a cute little pink themed birthday party for her. It's just me and my family, that is it, and I'm super excited. हम लोग सब pink पहनने वाले हैं, but Inaya is going to be wearing a different color. Inaya आवाज़ मत करना. So yeah, that is it. She also wore pink to school. उसके snippets मैं डाल दूँगी in the video. Yeah, and also इस बार birthday party रफसाना के घर पे हो रहा है because यहाँ पे कोई नहीं है घर पे. It's just me and भाभी and सब लोग वहाँ है, तो we thought might as well just go there because mom, नानी सब वहीं पर है. So we're going to decorate there and celebrate there. So yeah, let's go. Also, I forgot to mention that I did shoot a get ready with me for Inaya's birthday, which will be up on my Instagram. So make sure you're following me there. I will leave the handle in the description, on the screen, everywhere. And it is also featuring a little Princess Inaya. And Inaya, happy birthday, baby.
Thank you.
Ready for school? Happy birthday. Cutie? Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Bye. Put it. Okay, so once Inaya got back from school, we packed everything up and went to Rafsana's place. शाम को decoration करने का plan था, but when we were looking through the items, we realized कि थोड़ा बहुत सामान हमारे पास है नहीं. So we went out to get some more dark pink balloons. We got some decoration stuff for the cake and also some stuff for Inaya. And then we came back home and packed all of the gifts. ये भी सारा pink में ही wrap किया. And then we moved on to making the cake. So initially my plan was to make a pink pinata cake for her and then another chocolate cake. But it turned out to be an entirely different cake, which you guys will see. But the pink pinata cake turned out to be so beautiful. It had this marble effect to it, which I absolutely loved. And while the pinata cake was setting in the fridge, we all started blowing up the balloons क्योंकि हमको लगा बहुत सारे balloons हो गए, but इतना ज़्यादा भी नहीं थे. And then moving on to making the second cake, this turned out to be so pretty. हमने बस pink and white icing किया, random icing, and then Rafsana added these flowers to it, which turned out to be so beautiful. I absolutely loved the cake. It was so stunning. Let me know in the comments what do you guys think about this cake. We also stuck some edible pearls to it to make it look a little bit more fancy, and then moved on to decor, which I'm going to let you guys enjoy in peace. like it? Happy birthday! ഇതെന്താ പറ്റിച്ചോറിയില്ലല്ലോ. for the video, guys. I was editing the video, and that's when I realized I completely forgot to shoot the outro. I was really tired that day, maybe that's why, and I was also very, very hungry. So we rushed to have a dinner. We had pizza for dinner, and then I just dozed off. मैं सुबह जल्दी उठी थी and रात को भी late सोई थी. I mean, last night. So maybe that's why, but I am so happy with how the whole thing turned out, especially because it was spontaneous. And I'm not bragging, but I really feel that this is such a Pinteresty birthday for a 4 or 5 year old girl who loves pink. I absolutely loved it, and you guys could see that from Inaya's reaction. She was really happy with how it turned out. That is it for the video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, then don't forget to hit like, share, subscribe, and also let me know in the comments which was your favorite part in the video. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'll see you guys super soon in another video. Until then, bye bye.